Hey guys, and welcome back to another Monday Motivation Clean with me. I hope you all had a wonderful festive season. Today I have for you some kitchen cleaning motivation, including a deep fridge clean, as well as our Christmas morning tradition that I'm sharing with you guys, and a festive trip to Bicester village for my birthday. So give this video a big thumbs up if it gave you the motivation you needed to not only start a fresh new week, but a fresh new year ahead. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I'd love to have you as part of the PBB community. Thank you so much for supporting and watching my videos. I truly appreciate and I'm grateful for each and every one of you. And I wanted to wish you a wonderful, happy new year and 2025. And I cannot wait to bring you more content within the new year. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. that I've cleaned the fridge out, it feels so much better, and we're now ready to stock it with all of the lovely Christmas nibbles and food to have over the festive season. So I wanted to share with you guys what I've picked up for our Christmas breakfast. This is a tradition for Ben and I. We usually have this every Christmas morning, and it's just some smoked salmon bellinis. So I've got some nice smoked salmon, cream cheese, and then they only had 2 packs of bellinis left. Is it bellinis? Now I'm looking at that word and thinking that's not how you pronounce it. I will double check it. Anyway, we love to have this. We usually warm these up in the oven, then pop on the cream cheese, the smoked salmon, and then sprinkle a bit of black pepper on. And I also grabbed some oranges so that we could do a freshly squeezed orange juice to go with this little appetizer. And then for Christmas Eve, we always have the party nibbles, and Tesco had some really nice ones. So we got, these were all 3 for 2. We got these pudding wrapped piggies. So they're pigs in blankets in like mini Yorkshire puddings. They look very yummy. And some good old green jalapeno peppers. And then the other one that we like the look of were these mini pie selection. So you get 6 steak and ale and 6 chicken and bacon pies. We thought these sounded really nice. The other place that I saw some very nice nibbles that we had the other night were from Sainsbury's. They had these mini rare bits. I highly recommend them. They were so tasty. Go lovely with a glass of wine. And then we are going to be going to M&S to pick up a few more nibbly bits for Christmas Day.